Good morning. How are you? Did you like how I pulled up in there? You didn't? Okay. Oh wait. I was supposed to back the car up because I got trash to throw away. Let me turn the car around. Alright, this is old, but good morning. Today I got some things to throw away. You guys are gonna hang out with me today, okay? We're gonna see how boring my life is, okay? And I haven't been uploading like crazy because of I've been doing this right here. All right, check this out. I'm now in a car. Look at this mess back here. I gotta go to this landfill to talk to Southerners. But anyway, what is today's video about? All right, guess what? The trash is gone! Anyway, I just got done grocery shopping. Right now, I'm about to go home so that we can have this this one-on-one. And I swag and I zip. I swag and I zip. All right. I'm tired, man. This woman got me running around here. Look at this. Look at that. Got me running around here looking crazy. Alright, I'm back now. See the way that water's stacked there? And I was thinking the other day, I was like, are we the only people, black people, that do this? Are we? Because I don't know. I don't know. I mean, are we the only people? Let me get out of the way. Are we the only people? Look at it. This is like a weird vlog, but I'm about to put these groceries up, wash the runoff off my body, and continue this video. That's what I'm gonna do. Let me turn this off. Closer right here, and there we are. I'm drinking Blue Moon, celebrating my friend. There's not to celebrate, it's just this is a beer he likes drinking, so I'm drinking it to think about him. It's okay to think about your friends. Today's video has been all over the place, so I decided to just make this a vlog. I am vlogging just my day and just talking about pretty much nothing, but I am right now trying to show you guys my studio. Now, there's a lot of crap in here that I need to get rid of, but as you can see, it has potential. Now, this potential, I don't know what that means, but I've been debating what color to paint this. Now, yes, I cut my finger today. Yeah, trying to cook, but you know, I'm tender. But I'm trying to paint this wall. I don't know what color. I wanted to do a charcoal gray thing going on, like a gunmetal thing. My wife said white because of my chocolate skin color. But I wanted you guys to tell me what you guys think I should do with this. This is my potential studio. Does it have potential? Well, we don't know. But because of, I have a window right here on my left, which would be your right. There's natural light coming in. Now, I like to shoot with natural light. I have these my studio lights here. So I want you guys to tell me what you guys think. Now, this video feels weird because I don't have my hat, and that's okay. I need to embrace my baldness and everything else. But, Jesus Christ, this is some good beer. This is what I'm gonna be making my studio. Probably just this half because I don't need this entire space here. This is what the video is about. Me talking about vlogging and my studio. So thank you. I'm gonna start working on this studio next week, so I think that would make a lot of sense. But today's Friday, I am off today. I am consuming a Blue Moon beverage. And yeah, so this is shout out to you guys. You guys be safe out there, and I'll see you guys next time. For those of you that have been asking for the binary identity part 2, thank you guys for liking it and loving it. So I decided to do a part 2. I'm gonna shoot that tomorrow, which should be Saturday, and I'm gonna try and edit everything by Sunday and post it on Monday. And the subject will be interesting. I've only told one person, huh? You know who you are, huh? Well, I think I told my wife. She's a snitch. She snitches a lot. But I've told 2 people, and the other person, you know who you are, huh? Screenwriter, huh? You know who you are. But yeah, I've decided to shoot that Saturday and post that on edited Sunday, and hopefully post it on Monday. So yeah, that's what binary identity part 2 is going to be, hopefully Monday. And thank you guys for enjoying that series. Well, I'm trying to make it a series, so that should be interesting, you know? I think it should be. I think that would be very interesting. So you guys should totally wait for that. But other than that, that is the summary of this video.